Did you know that your friendly coworker could be stealing thousands right under your nose? Sarah from HR thought she knew everyone at work, but when she was fixing payroll errors, she found something shocking. Her desk neighbor Emma was getting paid twice every month for 8 whole months. Emma had found a computer glitch during a system update. The system was creating fake employee profiles with slightly different versions of her name. Instead of reporting it, Emma decided to keep both paychecks. She made fake timesheets for both fake employees. She opened separate bank accounts. She even created fake emergency contacts to fool the company audits. But Sarah kept digging. Emma had stolen over $40,000. She was planning to quit once she saved enough money. Emma had even looked up how long she could go to jail for payroll fraud. The worst part? This wasn't her first time doing this at other jobs. The company had to choose between calling the police or just firing her quietly. Follow for more workplace drama stories. Have you ever discovered a coworker doing something they shouldn't?